Hello everyone, this is Linda with Linda Sue Plants for you. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about my Sansevierias. Actually, I'm going to be repotting them, but I wanted to give you my before picture. And the reason I want to do that is because a number of you have commented on my beautiful plants and my beautiful display, and I appreciate that so much. It really encourages me. But I want you to know that I do live in my house, and I do live in the real world, so to speak, and I do have messy stuff going on here. My house doesn't always look like that. And this is the before picture of what I want to do on this wall. I'm not able to climb on things, and otherwise I'd have done this a long time ago, because my plan is I want to get this whole wall cleaned. And years ago, I used to do one room in 1 week, and I started with my walls, washing my walls and washing my windows and my screens and my furniture, and then I would shampoo my carpeting, and I just like to start every room fresh. But as I got older, and coupled with my health issues, I've not been able to do that, and this wall has been really bothering me a lot. As you can see down in the corner there, I have an air cleaner, and it really picks up a lot of particles that are floating around this house. One is the carpeting we have in here. We need to get it out. It was cheap. It was a quick fix. Long story behind that, but I'm not going to go into all that. Just to know that I'm very anxious to get that out of here and put in some decent carpeting again. But until that happens, I have to just live with that, and that air filter is helping a lot to take out the carpet fiber dusts and little pieces. And what it does is it takes it out on one side and it spits it out on the other after it goes through a filter. But unfortunately, the filter doesn't catch everything, so it ends up on this wall. So I'm forever cleaning this wall, and my husband will take his vacuum from the garage, the industrial vacuum, and he'll come in, he'll vacuum it all off. I'm trying to get a close-up of this because you can really see. I just wiped this off, not even, I'm going to say about a week and a half ago. I washed this frame, so you can see the amount of dust that we have in this house. It's just unbelievable. But anyways, the video is not about my dust. I just wanted to explain why I have that there, and that's going to lead me into my next comment. My daughter bought this for me for my birthday, and my husband hung it up for me, and I have a little bit of a dilemma as far as what plant to put in there. I'm thinking about putting in my I was going to use part of my calathea, or my marantha, my praying hands plant, because there's not a whole lot of light here, and they don't like a whole lot of light. And I think it would be gorgeous hanging down this wall. My worry is that it's going to not like the breeze it's getting from that air cleaner. So we're going to try it and hope for the best. And that's our little sock basket there. And next to that is my Franklin stove that my daughter borrowed, and I need to get it back into my office. And on top of there are my little grandson's puzzles that we play with every time he comes, so that's a good spot for it. The white stand that you see down here is a corner shelf that we just removed from a different wall, and I'm going to be putting that in another room. I'm just not sure what room yet. So all that's going to be out of here, and then I'm going to sit down and wipe off my table, and I'm hoping today what I want to do is repot all of these plants. They all need it, and they've needed it for a while. So that's on my agenda for today. Get all of my Sansevierias and Haworthia, and I think there's an aloe there, yeah. We're going to get those repotted and get this wall cleaned up. And I'm hoping when my husband gets home that he can help me with the rest of this. I want to get these things, I don't know if you can see that, but up on top of that beam we've got some vintage artifacts. One of them is my grandma's old oil lamp. That all needs to come down and be washed. So I'm hoping he can help me with that, and then I can show you the after of this. I will video some of the repotting. I'm not going to repot all of this on one take because it's going to be way too long, and my videos they're almost always 40 minutes, and I think it's just a little too long. I know there are a handful of you that really do like the long videos, and I'm so happy about that because hard as I try, they just always end up that way. This is my Sansevieria cuttings that are on the floor here, and as you can see, I think you can see my Hartley philodendron is down to the floor and going sideways, and it's getting very leggy. So I want to get that. My other goal is to get that up on the wall. There we go. And that's all coming from this plant. Some of you will remember when we first put this pot here, and it is growing immensely. It's growing up the beam, up the old lantern, starting to climb up the old rocking horse. So it is traveling along my beam just as I had hoped it would. And I want to also have it, I want to put some hooks in this beam right here, and then have some of these that are trailing down, I want to train to go up along that side and eventually up this wall. So that is my plan, and that's part of my never-ending journey. So I hope you'll all stick with me, and I will be back to show you the end result of this. I think I might video some of the repotting, like I said, of these plants, but I'm just not sure yet. I don't know how many people would really care to even see that, but we'll see. I'll give it some thought. Otherwise, I can see we're already going on 9 minutes here, so I'm going to say goodbye for now. And stay tuned because that is going to be my next project. So the next thing you will see is probably my repotting of some of my Sansevierias, and then the final project when everything is squeaky clean and fresh and nice again. And that probably won't be till tomorrow by the time we're done. So all right, well, thank you again for coming. I look forward to your comments as always, and I hope that you all have a great day, and do come back. All right, thank you. Bye now.